In this exercise, we will present the basic information about the program, its interface, and how to navigate inside the working area. The next exercises will allow us to build a full-size geometric model of the structure. The tasks have been divided into 10 parts, of which the first 7 represent modeling of geometry, and the last 3 show how to create documentation. In all exercises, mouse clicks will be marked with following colors: the left mouse button indicated in the green color and the right mouse button indicated in the blue. The Connect version has a standard ribbon interface. In the File tab, you will find all the necessary settings. The main work tools are located in the Home tab. In the View tab, you will find all options related to the view settings. Positioning and schedules are located under the Data Reporting tab. Drawing settings and options are located on the Drawing Production tab. In the Connect version, you will also find a search window. After typing a phrase, the program will present suggested options. You will also find a number of microstation tools such as AccuDraw or AccuSnap. Left mouse click data point is used to enable functions, expand additional options, and accept tasks. Left mouse button, together with Ctrl key, allows you to multi-select objects. Holding down the right button, together with the Ctrl or Shift key, opens an additional context menu. Additionally, with the right mouse button, we can enter the element options and edit connections. Holding down the right button, together with the Ctrl or Shift key, opens an additional context menu. Additionally, with the right mouse button, we can enter the element options and edit connections. Pressing the right and left mouse buttons simultaneously activates the tentative snap option, and when held down, together with the Ctrl button, the AccuDraw origin at tentative snap setting is activated. With the middle mouse wheel, we can zoom in or zoom out, and when pressed with the Shift key, we can rotate the view around the previously defined point. The basic tool for working in a 3D environment is AccuDraw. After selecting a function, invoke it by pressing F11 key on your keyboard. Additionally, if you press the question mark, we can run a list of available keyboard shortcuts for this tool. The directions of the axis are blocked with the Enter key, while the change of the mode from orthogonal to angular is made with the M key. In the 3D view, we can change the direction of the AccuDraw plane using a function called the circle rotation, invoked by the E key. The plane can also be rotated using the keys F for front, S for side, T for top, and R for rotation.
W oknach narzędzia możemy wprowadzać zarówno jednostki długości, jak i kąty obrotu. Przejście między osiami dokonujemy za pomocą przycisku tabulacji lub klikając myszką w odpowiednim oknie.
By pressing the K button, you can change the division of the element according to the number of points. The grid points will be distributed over the length of the whole element, creating equal segments. We will close this episode with an AccuDraw exercise. Search for placeline command. Then hover your mouse over the top of the column and press M key to invoke AccuDraw. Set the plane to the top view, lock the direction of work with the Enter key, and set starting point at a distance of 1000 mm from center of the column. In the perpendicular direction, draw a 1000 mm long line. Then set working plane to side view and draw a line in 35 degrees angle. At the end, rotate the plane to side view and draw a line with a 1000 mm length.